Okay, it's the crazy hair in the shades. So it's go time. It's go time. It's time. It's time to roll. We got all the stuff done, and it's time to go. Walking the dogs. Billy. Pablo. Y'all can hear. Oh yeah, it's running. The carrier unit's running. Got it fixed on Faye. Carrier unit is running. All right, so I'm actually, to clarify, doesn't matter what the door says, doesn't matter. Pulling Prime trailers, and I'm running under STM LLC here at Prime. He's the one that pays me to drive this fancy KW. So we're going to be looking for another driver in about 6 months. He's going to get another truck. And we'll see how this goes, because I'm excited. We get to roll again. It's a learning curve, learning how to drive this KW. Especially, you got something hanging down in your face in the windshield, and you're like, what the hell is that? What is that? That would be the air horn. Honk, honk. Yep, air horn. I didn't know that. So, that's what I'm doing. Rolling out tomorrow. Hope y'all have a good night.